Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Please welcome two ladies who would love to see me lose. From the kitchen, Katie Lee. And from Food Network Southern at Heart, Damaris Phillips. Happy Valentine's Day. Actually, I have something for you guys.
I love gifts.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Buttering you guys up. It's chocolate.
Oh. I like jewelry. A little bit. I'm just saying.
Two Southern ladies.
I know double trouble tonight. So bless your heart, Bobby.
Thank you very
You're gonna
much.
lose.
All right, so let's see who Cupid brought in tonight.
Our first contender is here to show you, Bobby, how things are really done south of the border. Executive Chef Carlos Baez.
This next contender has been credited as one of the best chefs in Long Island. Please welcome Stephen Scalesse.
Damaris and Katie here have their hearts set on one of you beating me tonight. But first, you must go through each other. You're gonna have 20 minutes to make an ingredient of my choice to starve your dish. And that ingredient is chocolate and chilies.
Chocolate and chilies is something that is really popular in Mexican cuisine, and it's unbelievable together.
Chocolate and chilies, they both work really well. It's perfect for Valentine's Day.
Remember, the key is to win the hearts of the ladies behind me. They'll decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. Go.
I'm going to make shrimp, chocolate chili sauce over quinoa.
I'm thinking about going with a chocolate chili mousse with an apple cider tangerine gastrique, bruleed figs, and blue cheese.
He's torching some figs. Under 2 minutes, and there's no chocolate or chilies on either plate.
You guys are making me so nervous. Put it on the plate.
Oh, it looks like he's having a little bit of trouble with that mousse.
1 minute to go.
In my plate, I have my quinoa, watercress, seared shrimp, and the sauce on top.
30 seconds.
So I have my blue cheese, bruleed figs, honey tangerine gastrique, chocolate mousse, and mint to add a little aromatics and some freshness.
Oh my gosh, guys.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The quinoa, it's a little undercooked. Just hoping with the flavors from my chilies, it's gonna stand out.
I'm a little worried that the mousse is not stiff enough, but I took a risk on my plate, making it unusual. I'm just hoping that it's enough to get to the second round.
Chefs, we really need one of you all to break Bobby's heart tonight.
It's all gonna come down to what you did to make the chocolate and chilies the star of your dish. Carlos, tell us what you did here.
Seared shrimp over quinoa, watercress, and chocolate chili sauce.
There's a lot of flavor going on here. I really get the chocolate and the chilies. I think it's an ambitious dish, but the quinoa is really undercooked.
Okay.
It's seasoned well, but it is sure crunchy. However, there's a beautiful balance. It isn't too hot or too chocolatey.
Okay.
Chef Stephen, what did you make?
A dry New Mexico chili mousse with a tangerine apple cider gastrique with blue cheese and bruleed figs.
A lot going on.
Yeah.
I absolutely love the way the fig and the chocolate taste. Your mousse, I wish it were set up just a little bit more, and I wish that I got more chili.
I wasn't sure, you know.
These girls like it hot.
It's Valentine's Day. I love figs. Unfortunately, I taste more of the fig and the tangerine than I do the chili. But overall, chocolate's one of the star ingredients, just lacking in the chili department.
Thank you.
Carlos' sauce really made the chocolate and chili shine, but Stephen was super creative and really thought outside the box with his dessert.
The chef to go up against Bobby Flay is Chef Carlos.
I've never been in a cooking competition before. This was an experience that has enhanced my cooking ability.
Good job.
We chose you because you really made the chocolate and the chilies the star.
Be bold. Take a risk. That is going to be the only thing that will beat this gentleman.
You're from Mexico City, right?
I'm from Mexico City, yeah.
Right, so possibly something from Mexico, which I would love. That'd be fun for me. What?
But he used to be a sushi chef, too.
Really?
Yep.
Well, let's not do sushi. All right, what is your signature dish, Carlos?
My signature dish is chicken mole.
We know he can make a good chocolate chili sauce. Since Katie and I are clearly in love with Carlos here, we cannot be the judges for this round.
Instead, we're bringing in 3 experts for a blind taste test, and they're gonna choose the dish that they love the most.
Your time starts now.
Bobby, what's going on? Did you get this cooked, or are you gonna serve some raw chicken mole?
I think it's pretty raw.
Oh, it's very raw. You know, we're not into chicken sashimi. That wasn't the challenge here.
Get out of here.
I think Flay is really struggling to get this done. Chicken is definitely not done.
No, with 3 minutes?
I'm a little behind in the rice. Breasts need a little more cook time, but I don't want to dry them out. I'm gonna let the chicken rest, and then hopefully it will just cook through perfectly in the next 3 minutes. And I'm worried about just plating the whole thing. I'm thinking I'm not gonna get this done.
I don't see any texture on Carlos's plate right now. It is steaming and delicious, though.
In my plate, I have Mexican rice, garnished with fresh cilantro, and I have my chicken mole, topped with toasted white sesame seeds.
Now you're down to 1.5 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm running out of time, and I'm rushing the plate. I put my mole sauce down first, then the chicken, the relish, and then the crusted rice, and then a little bit of lime on top.
Ooh, 10 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Beautiful.
I'm only semi-happy with my dish. I'm happy that I got it finished. It's just a little sloppy.
My mole, it tastes completely traditional and authentic. It's no way Bobby is gonna beat me with this.
Carlos for the win! Guys, congratulations. It was a really fun battle to watch. Now, I would like for you all to meet your judges. The chef of Border Grills and Mud Hidden Tavern, Susan Finnegar.
Executive chef and restaurateur, Richard Sandoval.
And the chef owner of Flirting with Flavors, Pamela Morgan.
It was chicken mole for Valentine's Day, so please start with the dish in front of you.
The rice is very simple, but this mole is perfectly seasoned. You taste some of the spices, but nothing overpowers it.
If I'm gonna leave the skin in, I wanna have a nice crispiness to it. He left the skin on, and I think once you add the mole, it's gonna soften it up, but overall, we're getting all the flavors in there.
This mole has a wonderful balance of sweetness and a bit of spiciness, but not too spicy. The plate presentation is missing something.
Could there have been a garnish, something to make it a little bit more exciting?
Judges, please try the second mole.
This presentation really has much more sex appeal to it.
You have the pomegranates, you have the tomatillos, nice fresh cilantro in the rice. The skin, you know, it's nice and crispy. For me, it's a very well executed dish. But the mole is a little too grainy, a little too thick.
Yep.
The mole is very spicy, not quite as well balanced as the first dish.
Flavor-wise, I love that tomatillo pomegranate concept and the strength of the mole. Together, it works.
Time to take a vote. Only one chef can win.
I really like the flavors of my dish. The chicken was well cooked, and the relish kind of gave it some brightness. But, you know, Carlos really knocked it out of the park with his mole.
Our judges have voted.
And the winner is Bobby Flay.
Carlos, your mole was gorgeous, but Bobby, the dish was really complex and interesting. Flavor profile-wise, obviously, it worked really well.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Yeah, I didn't win today, but I learned something at the end of the day, and that's the most important thing.